In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you a new project. Okay, this is an NFT collection. Okay, and this NFTs, you can even use it if you want to create a game, and it is called Lepasa. And I want to show everything, including this exclusive giveaway that they are launching right now, and there are only 3 days left, so you will be able to get this super unique magical Polqueen if you're going to follow this one. But before we start here, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so again, they are having this pre-launch NFT rewards. Okay, so there will be a total of 110 winners from participants who will follow all the steps in this program, and each winner will be giving unique magical Polqueen. Okay, so if you are curious about magical Polqueen, okay, so this is the rarest NFTs of them all, and probably I see this value more than 10 ETH, maybe 100 ETH. So make sure to check this one out. And also, it's very easy to join the Telegram, follow them on Twitter, and even retweet it, and even sharing it into other people as well. Cool. So let's do it, guys. Okay. So let's go forward into a brief introduction in Lepasa. Okay. So you can collect finest ever digital legendaries and experience the adventure of owning an NFT. So they are having LEPA Token for ecosystem. So Lepasa legendaries are exclusively crafted for Lepasa community and can be grabbed with $LEPA tokens only. Okay, so it has 4 main functions. So this is a high liquidity token, so it provides enough liquidity to project for swapping between NFT and token. It is also a hyper deflationary token, which what happens here is that on every swap they are burning LEPA token. So what happens here is that there are lesser LEPA tokens that are circulating inside the project, and what happens here is that when there are lesser supply, then the demand is also going up as well. Okay, so it is pretty much a basic supply and demand principle right here. So it is a hyper deflationary token. You will be able also to stake LEPA tokens and stake to earn rewards into this project, and this is going to be available into another public blockchains, maybe Polygon, maybe Binance, because it is also a cross chain. Okay, so that's what happened when it is cross chain. You'll be able to buy LEPA tokens, and you will be able to access it into multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Avalanche, or any blockchains that they are supporting. Okay, so Lepasa will habitat mythological legendaries crafted with excellence and backed by power of NFT. So the main thing here is that this is decentralized. Okay, and a lot of NFTs right now are centralized, and I pretty much don't like that kind of stuff. Okay, so decentralized is really good for a lot of people, especially into the privacy and stuff, and also it is public. So when it is decentralized, okay, every transactions are being seeing in a public blockchain, and it is pretty much transparent than centralized, I guess. Okay, so let's talk forward into the NFTs into this project. Okay, so they are having Bitsela, which of course I think this name, okay, this name and also this name, okay, they are deriving from some major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like Binance, and even Tron. So you will see the similarities. Okay, so they are including Bitsela. This one is Etheli, which is pretty much Ethereum, and this one is Binance. That's pretty much looks good because Nancy is pretty much a good name for an NFT or any unique art. And there's also Shoniti, which is he looks like a mermaid too. Okay, so beauty with a brain. You may trust her for stability and loyalty, and once you own it, it is uniquely yours. Okay, so this NFTs inside this project, is exclusively created for us in collectors, NFT collectors. Probably you are seeing CryptoPunks or other stuff that are being sold for ridiculously high price, like 100 Ethereum, 50 Ethereum, and even 20 Ethereum. Like, god damn it, dude. And this Lepasa project deserves a lot more recognition than the other projects. I will tell you guys, okay? Because this is really unique. This NFTs that has been created here, this is something that you won't see in any projects at all. Okay, so this is really quality based project, and if you are with me, then probably you won't what do you call that, you won't miss this video, you won't skip this video, you will even watch this into the end. Okay, so there are going to be a lot more coming. So this is the roadmap in Lepasa. So there will be a magic coins. So magic coins have the special powers which will enable other same breed pair to reproduce, and interbreed NFTs to generate fusion rare NFTs. There will also be a building ecosystem. So they are achieving sustainability for the project, that it requires efficient ecosystem, which in turn brings opportunity and fun for everyone. Okay, so staking will also come. So it is on the progress, as you can see here into the roadmap, and there will be also a union. So to produce ultra rare legendaries, there will be possibilities for fusion and breeding, which ultimately will create new rare NFTs. So I call this actually blending, okay, because you are having two NFTs, you are burning those two NFTs, and you will be getting a much more rarer NFTs, and that's pretty much cool because I think they won't actually release a lot of NFTs here. So if you want to join this hype and you want to own your first NFT exclusively, okay, and you want to be a whale soon, then do not miss this project at all. Okay, so let's go forward into this super unique magical Polqueen. So this has been created by Lepasa artists, and it is inspired by the rare breeds of Gen 2 penguin. In many studies, their existence was found for more than 38 million years, and they are recognized uniquely because of their distinct color and features. Okay, so it is often used as a symbol of a dream, adaptability, closeness, and even dual nature. So there is a story behind this NFT. So this is just like some sort of like an NFT that they just like created it because I just want to create an NFT, right? This is not that kind of project. Instead, this project has a story for every NFTs, and this has been carefully crafted by Lepasa artists, and this taken them for more than months, okay? Blood, tears, and sweat into this kind of NFTs, and that is why I think this kind of NFTs will actually go up in value soon, because there will be NFT collectors more into the future. Probably you are more into the play to earn games right now, but into the future, okay, art collectors will be more open into the NFTs because it brings a lot more growth, it brings a lot more value, okay, and it is pretty much the new style of creating an art and also preserving anything. And for those art investors out there, probably they will be into this website or even into this niche as well. So let's talk about the white paper. So before I forgot, so their vision is to create a mythological world that habitats beautiful legendaries, which will offer a social experience with an economy driven by layers of land and unique creatures ownership with content distribution. So the developers will be able to create applications on top of Lepasa, distribute them to users, and even monetize them. So this is a good news because there are more use cases into these NFTs. You are not just owning it, you'll be able to use it even more. If you want to create a project, you want to create a game, you can use this. You want to create some sort of like a stuff wherein you will be able to use some in-game assets or an NFTs, you can use this. And this is even unique because there is a proof, okay? That is why it is decentralized, okay? So there are actually a proof that you own these NFTs, especially if it is rare, because it is on a public blockchain. Means a lot of people will see that, hey, I actually bought this. Okay, so they will be actually seeing everything here. So this is entirely complete. If you're going to look into the team, Ashish Agarwal and Alok Joshi is the co-founder of this, and they are even having a project advisors, which is what do you call that? A docs one. Okay, they're having what do you call that? Businessmen, successful businessmen, architect, and they're having like this kind of profiles right here. 24 years of experience. And Ashish Agarwal, if you're going to look into his LinkedIn, okay, so he is experienced executing various businesses, and he is currently building India's first Bitcoin marketplace, which is lepasa.com as well. And as you can see here, he has more than 500 plus connection, and you see here, he's even like finished his education, and he's really specialized on a lot of projects here as well. Okay, so just what do you call that? Just a small information and just a tokenomics into the Lepasa token. So there will be 100 million total supply on this. The 0.10 is the public sale, and there will be less than 10% of the initial circulating supply. So this is the official token distribution. So 1% of the public sale is being priced at 0.10. Listing price will be 0.15. 10% will be vested on listing, and daily vested over a period of 365 days. And there are actually allotted 40% of their funds that will be used to support the development. So you see here that every single penny that is being used into this project will just go into the development, and also into the legal matters, and also into the marketing, because I believe that this project deserves more recognition than the other projects as well. Okay, so you can see every single collection here. It actually looks good. Okay, so you will be able to see more collections into the collection tab, and there will be more that will come soon as well. So make sure to follow them on Twitter. So they just joined last March 2021. So you can see that they are really working into this project for a pretty much long time now, and they also have a Telegram group, so you will be able to follow them once you've already finished this giveaway. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.